Cleaned up my eyebrows a little bit. It's burning. Look how long his hair is. I want the skin to be cute. I want the skin to be tight. I want the skin to be right.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning. It is a new day. It's a new month. It's July 1st, and I'm going to be posting my first video of July today. It's going to be around this evening. I'm up a little early. I have to go to an eye doctor's appointment, and I also need to find me something to put on. So I just wanted to go ahead and start this video, start this vlog off, and I wanted to say it's my birthday month. I hope you all enjoyed the intro. So let me go ahead and get myself together. I'm going to go ahead and cleanse my face and all that good stuff because I look a mess. I just woke up, y'all. I'm going to find me something to put on. And yeah. So let's get this day going. This is what I have on. My green top, my favorite black biker shorts, my Coach bag, and some gold accessories. I went ahead and, because I know y'all been seeing me wearing my hat all the time, so I just went ahead and decided to shampoo my hair and kind of wear it out. I'm supposed to get it cut this weekend. So this is what I'm wearing, my look for the day. And I'm going to be putting on some sneakers. So you know how I do. The sneaker girl. So y'all, I am actually done with my eye exam. I picked out some really nice fun glasses. I'm excited about those, but right now I am getting ready to find me something to eat. I decided, I don't know if I should say this because sometimes I be slipping up. I don't know if y'all remember in that last video, I was eating a lot of cookies and a lot of cakes and a lot of sweets. So I decided that being that it's a new month, new day, first day of July, my birthday is this month, I'm trying to get down in some weight. I won't be doing any cookies, cakes, candies, chips, anything that's like not healthy. I'm going to try not to eat. I kind of want to make me a salad tonight, but I have to eat something this morning. So I'm still going to do like smoothies and stuff like that. I just don't want to do any snacking like the cakes and stuff like that because I can't cut off everything. That's just that just does not work for me at all. So I have to cut back what I feel like I love the most, which is the cookies, the candies, the cakes, and the chips. I'm on my way to Target. Yeah, no, I got my Target gift card, and so I'm going to be using that to get a couple of things from there, like water, lemons, strawberries, stuff like that. Like I said, I wanted to make me a salad. I might have to go to Food Lion, so I might make me a salad tonight. So let's see how this goes because, baby, if I see them red velvet white chocolate chunk cookies, it's over. It's over. I don't know. Hey y'all, so I'm back home and I'm about to make me this right here. This is by Jimmy Dean. It's the Delights Breakfast Bowl. Got turkey sausage, diced tomatoes, scrambled egg whites, turkey sausage, and cheddar cheese. So I'm about to have that, and I'm also gonna make me a cup of coffee. I'll kind of have a lot to do today. I really need to clean my bathroom. I haven't cleaned it yet. I know y'all tired of hearing me saying I need to clean that bathroom, but y'all, that bathroom is tore up. So I need to clean it, and that's what I'm going to do. Let's see, puncture film. So that's what I'm about to do today after I eat, because I need some energy. This here. Let's see, remove carton, puncture film, microwave on high for 2 minutes. Peel back, film, stir, and replace film and do for another minute. All right. So, yeah, turn my coffee on. Get it ready. Did y'all see the BET Awards last night? Y'all, I was so happy to see Lauryn Hill and Wyclef together on the stage. Victoria Monet. You know what? I don't understand why. I mean, don't get me wrong. I do like Megan Thee Stallion, but don't get me wrong. I don't think that she should have opened. I was not a fan of her opening. I think that Victoria Monet, the girl that did, I can't think of the name. I can't think of the girl. I don't know these young people, but I'm just saying, I think she should have opened it because she did an excellent job. I'm talking about stage presence. I'm talking about from a person that used to perform, she performed. That other stuff, in the beginning, I just was not happy with the beginning of the opening. So, but they should let her open. The Usher performance, I like the Usher performance. I love that they had the women coming out and sing. Some people didn't like the performances, but y'all know my favorite performance was Tiana Taylor and Victoria Monet. Is that her name? I don't know if I'm saying her name right. So y'all know it's July, it's my birthday month. It's my birthday month, hey. It's my birthday month, So I'm trying to upload a bunch of videos. Not every day, though. I don't know if that's happening. But I'm gonna try to upload as often as I can. So usually I do maybe, I'm gonna say 4 videos in a month. I'm trying to do at least 8 videos in a month. So I'm trying to do 2 videos a week. Let's see how this go. If I can do 3 in a week, I'll be happy. So, my eye exam went pretty good. Nothing's changed as far as my sight. I think what happened was the last doctor that I went to, he was excellent. He knew exactly what was going on with my eyes because I wasn't able to see anything. And so I kept telling him, I was like, look, I can't see. I'm still struggling even with my glasses. And he was like, well, let me see what's going on. So he did the eye exam, of course. And then he was like, I see what's going on. And he fixed it. So these glasses, I don't even have to change these glasses if I don't want to. But y'all know me. Y'all know your girl is going to get some cute glasses. So, I like that because I can rotate between the two. And so I was excited about that. They even gave me my prescription. So just in case I want to get purchased from like Z-Lul and all those other places. So, yeah. But other than that, my eyes, they look good. I mean, granted, without them, I can't, honestly, I can't see nothing. But when I put these joints on right here, I can see. Okay, y'all, this is my second cup of coffee. Wait, let me tell you why it's my second cup. I was going over this video, trying to edit it, because it's like I said, it's Monday. My goal is to try to get these videos up, right? So I'm sitting there. Am I talking fast? Hold on. But I'm on my second cup of coffee. And my goal is to have the video uploaded by 5:30-ish. Because when I looked at my analytics, that's around the time that most of you all are watching my video. So that's my goal. That's my goal. And I'm like, ooh, I gotta hurry get this video. Y'all, the video is done. It has been edited. I got my thumbnail ready. Y'all, I'm just like, I'm excited. I'm excited. And see, I don't know if some of you are like me, content creators, but if you are like me, I get excited when one person, let me start over. I get excited when one person watches my video. That just proves right there, I love what I do. And if one person watches the video, that makes me so happy and it excites me. So, it's like I look forward to doing this. I would love to do this full time, but your girl can't. You can't because, you know, YouTube ain't give me no coins like that. But if I could, if I had the opportunity, I would do it full time. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. And I'm like, got all kinds of things going on in my head on which videos I should do or what I should do next. Because like I said, this is July and I want to keep the content coming. I want to keep it coming. So right now I'm done with that. So sip coffee. Hold on. Once that uploads and does its thing, I'm going to go ahead and go into my bathroom and clean it up. This time, I'm really cleaning my bathroom and stuff. Y'all, so I'm cleaning up my bathroom. My nephew sent me a message. Marsha and Ambrosius. I'm not sure if, I think this is a new album. Dr. Dre produced it. I've always been a fan of Marsha and Ambrosius. Let me tell you. That Late Night Early Mornings album, I be blasting it in my car. But this album, this is for the grown. This is not something to play with. Let me tell you. Her album is nice. Shout out to the nephew. You did that. You know what you send your auntie. You send your auntie some good stuff. But her album is good. It's called Casablanca. Y'all, I love it. I've always loved Marsha and Ambrosius. Y'all need to go check it out. It's called Casablanca. If you're looking for something that's like grown, sexy, something that you want to relax to, this is the album. So far I'm on the fifth song, and it's called Greedy. I haven't really heard it yet because I stopped it because I don't want to get copyrighted. I don't want it playing while I'm talking to y'all. But this is really good. Like, y'all need to check it out. Shout out to you, Jesse, because you knew. Yo, I'm in my closet. So, first of all, I just want to say my video has been uploaded. Yeah. I was trying to clean the bathroom. For some reason, I don't know why, that bathroom kicked my butt. I was so tired, and it could be just because I got up so early. I was so tired. But I came in this closet because I wanted to show y'all this really cute bag that I got from TikTok shop. It's so cute. It's this. Y'all, this is so cute. It's a crossbody bag, and y'all know how I feel about crossbody bags. And I love it. It opens like that. It comes with 2 straps, y'all. 2 straps. So it comes with these 2 straps right here. I haven't opened it yet, and I haven't worn it yet. It comes with gold hardware. Y'all, it's so cute. It's so cute. And you can carry it like this, or you can wear it as a crossbody. Isn't that cute? Y'all, so I didn't record. My nephew was here, and he went on ahead and put up my shower head. I want y'all to see it. It looks so good. And, oops, hold on one second. Okay, hold on one second. There's my shower head, y'all. It's up. That looks so good. The problem is I'm so short. That thing is high. But, yeah. And this is my waffle curtain. I got it up. I'm trying to see what it looks like standing back. I got it up. And it's long, like I want it. Look how long that is, y'all. Love it. Y'all, you see I'm using my cup. Right now I'm in my closet because I'm trying to find something to wear for a cookout this Saturday. I know I'm going to definitely do some shorts. I did want to do a dress, but that's not going to work. I think I need to do some shorts, something like that. But I have some really cute tops in here, and I'm thinking like maybe I should do something bright because I'm always doing black. I thought about doing this with some shorts. I think that's really cute, y'all. With some shorts and my sneakers. What kind of sneakers I got that I could wear with that? I could do my huaraches. That might be cute. This might be really cute. I also have like, let me see, it was something that I wanted to show you all that I had. What was it? Y'all seen that? I have this too. I don't know if I've showed you all this top. But I have this too. I can always like roll the sleeves up, with like tuck the shirt with some really, really cute shorts. But I think that'd be cute. I don't know. So yes, that's all I'm doing. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to be doing for Saturday. Decisions. But anyway, y'all, I'm doing really well. I did salad today. Any snacks today. I had like some sea salt crackers. That's it. No chips, no cookies, no cakes, no donuts. Y'all be proud of me now. Y'all be proud of me. I did good. I am craving something sweet, so I'm getting ready to go in there and cut up my strawberries because the strawberries might help. And then also, like I was telling you before, the zero sugar drink helps too. Oh, and I also have like some caramel rice cakes. Those help. I'd rather eat that than eat, you know, cookies and stuff like that. I need to put together, hold on. And I need to put this together. This is the shelf unit that's going to go behind my toilet. My nephew said he's going to come and put it up for me. So he's going to put this up and he's going to put my mirrors up. I kind of want him to put my curtain rod up. I'm not worried about the curtains. I just want him to do that while he's here. I could worry about putting the curtains on the rod later. But for right now, I really need to get the curtain rods up. So I'm thinking about putting this together right now. I'm watching House Party. I work tomorrow. I have 2 people tomorrow. I have my nephew and I have a client first thing in the morning, but I do my nephew right after that. And my nephew, oh my goodness, his hair, Lord have mercy. He has the most hair. The most hair. So I'm going to do that tomorrow. But yeah, so I think I'm going to try to put this together tonight so it'll be ready for when he comes. And it's just the white shelf. I showed you all this already, so yeah. Yo, I just cleaned up my eyebrows a little bit. It's burning. It's burning. I should have. This is from the Candy Brow Bar. I've been using this, I'm gonna say maybe 3 years, 3 to 4 years, and I absolutely love it. You leave it on for like 10 minutes. And it also comes with a developer. So this is step 1, this is step 2. And then what I'm using is, I got these from Amazon. The tray I actually got from the Dollar Tree. So this comes in handy. It really does. I also have like a little jar that I can use to do it in, but that's at the shop. So I'll keep this at the house just in case I forget it. You know, forget to bring it. I'm doing this early because of the, you know, the cookout. I want to look good and stuff like that. I'm supposed to get a haircut, but I'm thinking about canceling my haircut this week and saving that haircut for my birthday. Because I was like, it don't make no sense, though. I could do like a, I don't know. I got some ideas of what I want to do to my hair for the cookout. I also kind of, I'm thinking about wearing a hat too, so. Hey y'all, this is the end result. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but they are a little bit darker. Right here, I'm not sure why it's so thin right there, but yeah, looks good. Looks really good. It brought my brows to life. It brought me back to life. Very cute. I use a dark brown, in case anybody was wondering. I use a dark brown. I didn't use black because black is too dark. Too dark. So I just wanted to do like a natural dark brownish color, because then my eyebrows will look natural. And to be honest with you, I also do fill them in a little bit, like when I'm doing makeup. So, and it gives it, oh, I just love the way it looks afterwards, y'all. It just looks so cute. But yeah, but yeah, it looks good. Look, so y'all, remember I was telling y'all that I had to do my nephew's hair today, and he has so much hair. Y'all, look at this hair. This don't make no damn sense. Look how long his hair is. Like, what? No, seriously, look at me. I'm standing back there, y'all. I'll show y'all the end result when we done. You said what?
You got a measuring tape?
No measuring tape. But why? I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So this is the outcome. Look how long that is. Hold on down. Look at that. And that's from the top. Woo! Yep, that is it. Finally done. Took about 3 hours, y'all. Never again. Hey, y'all. So I'm home. I've been home for a minute. And right now I am getting ready to do a quick nighttime skincare routine. Y'all have seen me do that stuff already. But y'all, why am I washing clothes at, what time is it? 10:32 at night. I'm washing clothes. I needed to wash my black clothes. I didn't have time, so I went ahead and just put some clothes in the washer and started them. But like I said, it's 10:32. I decided to do a skincare routine. I'm going to be using some new stuff. So you already know I already use this. So I'm going to use this. I'm not going to do this on camera. And then this is what I wanted to try. I can't see. Hey. Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Daily Peel. It's a 2-part treatment type thing. So the first one is exfoliator and smooth. And then the second one is an anti-aging neutralizer. That's going to be fun. So I'm going to try this. And my daughter gave me this. And she told me to try it. So I'm going to say this though. Nothing better happen to my skin. Nothing better happen to my skin. Well, she going down. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to tone, moisturize. These things are new. I think I've showed you all these. I haven't used this Clinique Moisture Surge yet, so I'm going to be using that too. So let me go ahead and cleanse my skin. Wait, did y'all check out my eyebrows? They look good, don't they? This is from the tint. I cleaned them up a little bit. I put a little bit of eyebrow makeup on them, but they look good. I like it. Be back. I have cleansed, and as you can see, my skin is, let me make sure it's nice and dry before I use the Dr. Dennis Gross. So let's go in with this. And this says to use, I can't see. This says to, where's it at? Okay. To use for optimal results, use daily, AM or PM. First time peel users may apply every other day until skin becomes acclimated. Massage step 1 onto clean, dry skin until pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes. Repeat with step 2 to further enhance results. Follow with a serum and moisturizer of your choice from Dr. Dennis Girl Skincare. Let's do this, y'all. So this is number 1. So it comes like this, y'all. So I'm about to use step 1. And you're supposed to use it until it's dry. So let's go. Let's see what this is working. Let's see what this is going to do. Is this going to do what I needed to do? It's supposed to get that skin vibrancy. So y'all know. Did y'all see my nephew's hair? Man. He had so much hair. My sister said it took 2 hours, but I feel like it took 3 hours. Let's burn a little bit. It's supposed to wait until it's completely dry. You gotta wait 2 minutes. So I am getting older. I need this skin to be right. I need my skin to be on point, especially by the 23rd. So y'all know I'm on it. So if this do what I needed to do, baby, your girl gonna be king. So yeah, so this says wait for 2 minutes. We got 1 more minute to go. Yeah. So y'all, been uploading my videos. I'm trying to get this one out by tomorrow evening. If I can get this one out by tomorrow evening, I can have another one out by Sunday. Or Monday. Somewhere in there. So I've been trying to pick up the camera every day. Trying. But sometimes I feel like, you know, because I don't want, like I said, I don't want y'all to get bored. So I try not to pick up the camera just to be picking it up. I want to pick it up for a reason. Like today I picked up the reason because I wanted to show you that I was trying to do a new skincare routine. And I don't want to, you know, I don't want to leave y'all out of that because I've been using the same products for almost like 3 years. I kind of want to switch it up and I want to see what's good for my skin. So that's the reason why I picked up the camera. So tomorrow most likely I'm picking up the camera again because I have to find me something to wear for Saturday. My sister had to cook out on Saturday, so I had to pick it up again. This is the anti-aging neutralizer. I think this won't work. Now I'm going in with this toner by Laneige. It's called Cream Skin Cerave. It's a toner and a moisturizer kind type thing. So this is it. This is new. So this is my first time actually using this. I want the skin to be cute. I want the skin to be tight. I want the skin to be right. I forgot I was supposed to just kind of like pat it. My daughter told me to pat it, so. Too late. I'm going in with the Clinique moisturizer. Surge. It's called the Moisture Surge by Clinique. So I'm going to try that. Let me see how that does for your girl. It's unscented, so it doesn't have any scent to it. So. And mind you, these are all products that my daughter got for me. And she told me that I should use them on my skin, especially that because I'm getting older. So, she told me to use this stuff. And I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it. Skin look good already, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my, I love using this stuff, so I'm going to use it. Until I can find a good serum. Unless I have a serum. I thought I had a serum in here. I don't see it. Serum in here. So I'm going to be using that Palmer's skin oil until I can find me a really good serum. But I like this because it's actually moisturizing and it gives your skin a really nice glow. So if you're looking for something that you want a really nice glow on your skin and you want something that's affordable, that Palmer Skin face skin oil, what's it called? It's called the Skin Therapy Oil. It's really good. So y'all, my skin feel good. I didn't even do nothing. Well, you're supposed to wait like 24 hours and you're supposed to keep repeating that process that I did, but that was good. Yes. Y'all, I'm excited about the skincare thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm really excited about it. And then I'm going to go in with the Shisheido Eye Cream. Y'all have seen this in one of my videos. If you've been watching my videos, y'all have seen this. And I'm going to put a little bit of that underneath my eye. This is a routine you could do at night and, of course, in the daytime. And I find I do like this. It's really, really good. It's actually really, really good. So, yeah. So I've used that. And then I'm going to go in with my little lip mask. And I love Lineige's lip sleeping mask. It's the berry one. But they got a new one out, y'all, that I really want to try. It's the watermelon one. And I'm like, ooh, I would love to try that watermelon lip mask. Some people wear it. I was watching Peyton's vlog. And she actually tried the watermelon one. And I was like, oh, I want to try that. Yes, ma'am. What you think? What my skin? What you think? It looks good. Not bad at all. Anyway, so y'all, that is it. That is all I'm going to be doing to my skin. Eventually, I can be able to add more. Eventually, I will be able to add more things into my skin. But I have to make sure that it's good for my skin. I have dry skin, normal to dry skin. So I'm really careful about what I put on it. And this time I wanted to try these. All these things are for moisturizing. So my skin dries up so bad. Like, I have to, everything has to have moisture to it. All the way down to the lip mask. I have to have moisture everywhere. Maybe I might have a glow in the morning or something. I might not do it again. Let me tell you. You'll see how I change my voice. I might have, something. No, but tomorrow I might not do that step 1 and 2 process. I might wait until Saturday to do this. No, tomorrow is Thursday. Friday. Because the cookout's Saturday. So I'll wait till Friday to do it again. Yeah. And see, I'm thinking I'm going to do my lashes, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I try to, I'm trying to get the content out, y'all. Trying to get the content out, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to turn your notification bells on so that way you know your girl dropped that video. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and let's have conversations down in the comments. You know what I'm saying? I love the comments. I'm so glad to have each and every one of you subscribers. I love y'all. I thank y'all. I thank you so much. And y'all have a great evening, day, night, weekend. Whenever y'all watching this, I hope y'all enjoy your day and y'all have a great 4th of July. Bye, y'all.